Hi friends, today's recipe is Fish Nirvana. With few ingredients you can make adiboli Fish Nirvana. You can make this recipe without banana leaves and clay pot. The details will be in the description box below. Here I have taken 3 pomfret, but you can use any fresh fish. Give a gaseous or a slit so that masala holds in. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of normal chilli powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, little turmeric powder, and half lemon juice, and add salt and little water and mix well. This chilli paste should be soft when you apply on the fish. Keep this marinated fish in a refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour. For the next step, you need pepper powder, chopped ginger, chopped green chilli, curry leaves, coconut oil and first milk of coconut, and banana leaves with clay pot. Now time to fry. Add coconut oil and add fish. Cook this fish to 70 to 80%. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe and like. Keep 2 layers of banana leaf so that the fish will not burn, and if juices comes out, the second layer will be there. Choose the bigger burner for this recipe on your stove. Then only it cooks in 15 minutes, otherwise it will take long. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, few curry leaves, few green chilies, few chopped ginger, and add fried fish. And add first milk of coconut. And add green chilies, chopped ginger, curry leaves, it's better to add more coconut milk because this has much flavor. Add salt to taste, and at last add pepper powder. Now close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes in low flame. Only 10 minutes now. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. And pour the juices on the top of the fish. Again close the lid for 5 minutes. Total time is 15 minutes. Now the fish nirvana is ready. It's really super delicious recipe.